While the attention of the world was on the FIFA Men's World Cup that ended on July 19, with Spain being the champions, Jamaica's Special Olympics team was performing their own heroic feat in Paris, France. They competed at the Special Olympics Unified Football World Cup, which ran from July 6 through to 11. Denise Walters reports.
Despite being dethroned as Division 1 champions, Jamaica's Special Olympic men's team made sure they were on the podium for a third time in as many editions. In 2018, Jamaica were crowned the Division 2 champions and they mined another gold medal 4 years later in Division 1. Now on the hunt to retain their title, the Jamaicans drew 2-2 with Brazil, clipped Senegal 1-0 and hammered France 6-0 before going down 3-1 to Libya. Executive Director at Special Olympics Jamaica, Lorna Bell, says the team had some challenges but went out and represented well to return home with a silver medal.
It took them 2 days traveling to Paris, folks. Right? They slept at the airport, but they came the morning into Paris. I was there in that stadium, and it brought tears to my eyes when they came directly from the airport to the stadium to attend that opening ceremony. Right? They left the stadium and went to at 8 a.m. the following morning. They had to get up to play Brazil.
Bell, however, was disheartened that the performance didn't get any local fanfare.
Nobody in Jamaica. I've not heard anybody said anything about it. I've not even heard it on the news. So I'm a bit disappointed. I don't think I need us to come back to Jamaica to call the news media to give them that story. It was all over the world. It was all over on social media. And this is what your footballers, our footballers, did for Jamaica.
And despite all the success of the Special Olympics team, Bell is appealing for support from one specific quarter.
We cannot do the work that we do without family. We need family support. It's not an easy work. And majority of the parents will just come, drop off their children and leave them. That's not how it goes. You have to be there with us. You have to help us.
She was speaking at the Special Olympics annual brunch held in Twickenham Park, Spanish Town.
And this is a fundraiser in order for us to give our athletes the best that we can do. That is to continue for them to do their training, get them what their needs are in terms of clothing, etc.
Family coordinator of Special Olympics Jamaica is Beulah Bartholomew.
The support from our members are very important. And so I thank each and everyone who supported us today. We are not finished. This is just the first of what we are going to be doing over the next 4 or 5 months.
During that time frame, Jamaica is set to host the first Special Olympics Caribbean Beach Games, which will be launched on August 4.
6 sports: unified male basketball, unified female basketball, unified male volleyball, along with bocce, open water, swim, run. And football.
The first Special Olympics Caribbean Beach Games will run from November 18 to 22 in Montego Bay, St. James. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.